Pakistan loses 4 points on graph perception ranking. Pakistan has been ranked 124 out of 180 countries in the Corruption Perception Index 2020 released on January 28, 2021 by the Transparency International as the country's score has lowered to 31 from 32 out of 100 from the last year. Pakistan's ranking in 2019 was 120. SC orders release of man accused of murdering Pearl. By a majority of 2 to 1, the Supreme Court acquitted on January 28, 2021. Ahmad Umar Saeed Sheikh, the principal accused in murder of Wall Street Journal's bureau chief for South Asia Daniel Pearl by extending the benefit of the doubt to him. UK judge allows extradition of Abroad founders to US a year and a half after the arrest of the founder of collapsed private equity firm Abroad, Arif Naqvi in London. A magistrates court ruled in favor of United States prosecutors who sought his extradition. Jordanian CICS honored by President Dr. Arif Alvi conferred Hilale Imtiaz military on the chairman of Joint Chief of Staff of Jordanian Armed Forces, Major General Yusuf Ahmad Al Hanati, on January 28, 2021. NA body passes bill for open balloting in Senate election. The National Assembly Standing Committee on Law and Justice on January 28, 2021 passed the bill for open balloting in the Senate election. The meeting of the Standing Committee on Law and Justice was held under the chairmanship of Riaz Fatiana. ADB to provide $5.4 billion assistance to Pakistan in 3 years. The Asian Development Bank will provide about $5.4 billion assistance to Pakistan over the next 3 years. This is part of the ADB is a 5-year country partnership strategy. The indicative resources available for the commitment during the first 3 years of CPS period 21 to 23 total 5.4 billion, said the ADB. Russia's population shrinks to 146.2 million. The Russian population shrank by more than half a million over the past 12 months, the steepest fall since the mid 2000. Official data showed on January 28, 2021. As of January 1, 2021, the Russian population numbered 146.2 million, 510,000 lower. Blast in Afghanistan kills Mangal Bagh. Chief of Or of Khyber District's most dreaded and banned organization, Lashkar-e-Islam Mangal Bagh was killed in a mine explosion in Nangarhar province of Afghanistan on January 28, 2021, confirming the news of militant leader's death. Nangarhar's governor XKEMD made head of Reconstitution Anti-DC Board. The government on January 28, 2021 reconstituted the board of directors of the National Transmission and Dispatch Company under the chairmanship of former managing director of K Electric, Naveed Ismail. Pakistan to stop manual visas from next month. Pakistan will stop issuing manual visas from next month and had asked non-resident Pakistanis and other interested in traveling to the country to apply online for electronic or e-visas in compliance with the instruction of the government of Pakistan for complete implementation of e-visa regime.